The EV track at McCormick Place is one of the Chicago Auto Show's most popular attractions.
And while all electric vehicles are known for their quiet rides, there's one car on the track that's making a lot of noise. The unmistakable sound of torque twisting rubber. And here at the Chicago Auto Show, that unbridled power is all too familiar. This is a homecoming for the Dodge Charger, which made its debut here back in the 1960s, years before it earned its place on the Mount Rushmore of American muscle cars.
The goal really is to do that history justice. So it has to look the part. It has to really deliver on muscle car needs. So the design was a big piece for our design team to deliver.
But open the hood on this 670 horsepower beast and you get a frunk instead of an air-guzzling, exhaust-spitting engine. Because this isn't your dad's muscle car. The Charger Daytona is all electric. A major cultural shift for one of the most iconic brands in the history of the American sports car. You know, when we think about the Dodge Charger, we think about that guttural sound that comes out of the exhaust. Well, with the all-electric Charger Daytona, that visceral sound is part of the experience.
It goes back to making sure that we're doing the right things to make sure that this can proudly wear the Dodge badge, the Charger badge, and to deliver that experience.
And that Charger experience isn't limited to the sounds that come from outside the Daytona.
We're going to have the traction control off, so we'll really see what the vehicle can do as far as handling, acceleration, stopping, you know, in as ready conditions as we can over here.
Okay, cool.
All right, let's before we get a traffic jam, let's give it a go.
Oh, you can feel the torque.
Yeah, you get it instantly. Are you guys ready?
Yeah. Nice. But for those purists who say it's sacrilege to ditch the internal combustion engine for an all-electric, Dodge hasn't forgotten about you.
We can make a fantastic muscle car with electric, and I promise you we can make a fantastic muscle car with ICE as well.